Hello, let me start with this. My English is not so good, but few guys of you PM'd me and requested a English version of my tutorial, which has the topic Android share function for Unity. So you could share a text with a button click, and you could choose an app like Twitter or Facebook and send a text or something like that. It's a great tool to write, to share this app or to make advertising. If your players or users are happy with your app, then they will share it and show it other guys. So they can play together, or the other guys can play this too. So, how I started it, to write this plugin or something like plugin, we need to make Android codes readable with C# in Unity. So first, let's look how the intent function works. So we look just for Android share function. Oh nee, Android share intent or Android intent share, however. Then you will see sending simple data to other apps. This is a tutorial and example how this works in Java. With Java, so you have your code. I will zoom a little bit in. This is a Java code example, and we just copy this. And I will put this here, and I will comment this everything, because I want to see what I'm doing there. I don't want to switch all the time my window, but if I do this way, so I see, I need this, you know. So I said variables which is one time called and not needed anymore, or defined. I defined one time, I mean. So we will do this in initialize function. So I put this here, and the other things are okay because we don't define here something if are already defined. Yeah. Okay, let's continue. So I will make a new variable which is called Android Java object. This is what needed if you want to make a Java object, like if you make new string or something. This is an object. We name this same like the example code, send intent. So if we look closer to the code, we see here they are using an example a static variable, intent.actionSend. So that means actionSend is a static variable. I know this is a string static variable, but I will show later how you can find it out. So because they use static variables, we need also the class of the Java class. We need as variable in C#. So we call this intent class. So we know this is a class. So let's start with Android Java class. We define this here, intent class, and of course we need to make new Android Java class. So, and you see here they want the class name of the Java package. This is not intent alone. This contains more words. Let's just look at for it. You just come back to website and click action send. This will go to the intent class website or RPE. And if you go top, then you will see here the package name. You can also look here in the .content, .intent, but it's easier to look here and just copy and paste without the empty strings. Yeah, but the same thing, we need this here too. So it's this multiple thing. So I will make a new variable for it because I don't want to type multiple times if I can write it one time or something. Oh yeah, the string. Why does say? Oh yeah, I forget something. This is of course static. I forgot it first. Yeah, and then we can start with the real code converting or translating to C#. So we want make a new object send intent. How we do this? We make send intent new Android Java object class name. So we have made this line now in C#. Easy. Now we can go to the next step. So we want make set intent dot set action. It's just easy. And if you see this, you can choose it here. Call without return type, call with return type, or call static. This is not a static call, so we can just use these two things. It says return type of intent, so I know this is a Android Java object. Then it says string method name. So we know this. It's a SetAction. Now it wants the parameter. And we know this also. It's a static variable intent.actionSend. So we need intent class. Dot, and they show again what we want, but of course this is a get static because this is a static variable. So it said it has a return type. Now I show the return types of these both things. So first one, set action. Go here. Set action. That action is a return type of intent. So you know, yes, I need a return type. And also here action send has a return type too. So it's a string return type. So you can return right here string. And at least once a variable name. Now we are finished. And here we don't tube intent because it's intent return type. Now we write here, of course, Android Java object because Unity don't know intent. Unity don't know intent class, so we need just put Android Java object there. So these two things are same, so I will copy paste. I just copy paste here, and change the names. Change here the name, and change also here the name. But here we need to do extra parameter because this takes two. So we write here text. because we send here a parameter text which goes here. And this is the text what we want to send later. And the last one is just same thing above. Explain. So later you can change this if you want to send picture, but this is advanced thing. You have to look how this works. So this is difficult to explain, but I guess just how this works. Works like you have to find out what currently activity you are currently and start the activity from there. So we have to know which currently activity we have right now. This is easy to find out. I found it here. Unity, Android. No. Oh yes, Android native, or was it Java native? Here. I think it was, yes, Java native. Then you see here building plugins for Android. If you go there and read this, you will find out how to make this. And then it shows how to accept, for example, get the string, how to make a Java string object, for example, how to get the hash code. And then you see this Android, Java class, and current activity. Java class, Unity player, and the activity. Yes, I just copy this, paste this here, and I will of course name this to the same thing what I see here and here. But I will make this global because I will call this only or define this only one time. So I make a new static variables. So then we can remove this. So we just read, we just get the class and get the static variable current activity. And this is the one which contains the current activity, I guess. Yeah. And with the current activity, we can finally call start activity and send intent. So that's it. Now you can do something new. Code like this one. On share button pressed. Then intent share. This game is awesome. I scrolled, blah blah blah. Try it, get it at Play Store or something like that. And you get a pop-up and you can choose Twitter, Facebook, or other apps what supports this intent thing. So that's it. If you have a question, you can write down in the commentary and and please give me a like. See ya.